Hello, welcome to my channel again. This is my first time after a long time of recording videos on Python, and I'd like to start by introducing the basics of Python, as I got lots of questions about the basics of Python in my tutorials, and I thought that lots of my subscribers struggle with Python. So there are certain things that you might need to know about why choosing to use Python for bioinformatics. Well, Python is a powerful language. It's easy to learn, especially for biologists and chemists. And it has lots of libraries with lots of functionalities, which make it quite easy for you to use the code and at the same time learn it efficiently. In my tutorials, I'll go for hard-coded functions first, and then I'll teach you how to use different libraries. In the beginning, I'll specify a playlist for the basics of Python, which starts from this video tutorial, and then I'll continue to the other video tutorial playlists. So I listed 8 playlists in my plan in order to start teaching Python for biologists and bioinformaticians. The first playlist, which is this one, is the basics of Python playlist. Then in the next one, I'm going to focus on basics of bioinformatics in a short playlist. Then 2 other playlists come. The first one is Python for biologists, absolute beginner level, and then Python for biologists, advanced level. Afterwards, I'll talk about the use of BioPython library and the use of Python for biostatistics with lots of biostatistics modules and libraries that are available. And after that, I'll introduce you to machine learning in Python for biologists. Finally, I'll talk about protein structure analysis in Python for biochemists. So with these 8 playlists in mind, I think I'll cover lots of different areas related to biology for biologists using Python. So it's not just bioinformatics, it includes data analysis of molecular biology data, data analysis of different biological data, some other biologically related data like biophysics, biochemistry, and so on, as well as biostatistics in Python, like what I mentioned earlier. Then we'll move on to more advanced levels in Python. So I hope you will enjoy all of the lectures and all of those tutorials that I'm going to prepare. The first playlist is actually prepared for you, so I might upload videos on a daily basis. And then the next coming tutorials and playlists will come afterwards. Hope you can catch up. Tune in. Thank you.